So what? Did you guys play down in Austin?
Yeah, we played in Austin.
Did you? Did you went to? How many shows did you guys play?
South by Southwest. We just played one.
So what's the difference between playing a big, I don't want to say clusterfuck because it is fairly organized down there, versus a one-day festival like this?
It's a clusterfuck.
Way more organized than that shit was.
Yeah, absolutely.
How so?
We are like 500 yards from where we had to play, and there we were like 4 miles.
Yeah, actually, that's what it comes down to.
Yeah.
Loading.
There's no, like, we are parked, we've been parked all day.
I think that was sort of the big complaint most bands had, was that parking was really terrible and they had to walk far.
Like South by is not like anything. It doesn't benefit bands by any means, really. It's basically set up for like parties and like showcases for like labels and like when it comes down to like bands and like their like comfort, there's none. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I mean, it's hurry up, plug in, play, and then get the heck out.
Play for the party and then just leave. Like nothing there benefits like the bands by any means.
Did you hear any good bands while you were there?
The Dangerous Summer, amazing.
Cudi,
Yeah, we saw Kid Cudi. Kid Cudi was a good time too.
What was the other band?
Don't remember.
Clearly they did not leave an impression.
That is the curse. It's a blessing and a curse because
Metallica was really
it's a great time, but at the same time, I only probably remember I don't know, 50% of it.
They were really good, and then they lost me after like I watched it for 25 minutes, and they dropped the God thing. Then I was fucking done.
Yeah.
I saw Snoop Dogg's dad.
That was pretty sweet.
He's still alive.
The dog father.
Seriously.
The dog father.
Yeah, his dog.
His dad.
And his dog. I couldn't tell.
They were related. I can guarantee you they were.
You could smell them coming a mile away. That's how you know it's time. So with so many bands in Austin, how do you sort of leave your mark with fans so they come back to you and return?
Because we're like the most southern band, yet we're the most northern band.
Yeah. I mean,
We live in Minnesota, yet we play the most southern music. I saw it South by Southwest anyways. Yeah, I agree with that.
Can you repeat that question?
How do you leave your mark with fans so they come back to you and
Our mark?
yeah.
We're the only band here that doesn't have breakdowns. That's probably.
the song.
I think that'd work.
On somebody that has 9 breakdowns in it.
Just to show them that we can do it.
Just to show them that it's that easy.
How,
I love you guys. You guys are great.
how many breakdowns can someone fit into one song?
Just to prove that it's not that hard.
Well, speaking of improving, hardcore used to be sort of this very, very small genre that has sort of rotated.
Remember that? You know what's really fucking depressing is that a band that Attila, they're a great band, but their crowd was so huge, and then Norma Jean, like the legendary Norma Jean,
Almighty Norma Jean.
basically the band that every single band here's career is based off of. The whole crowd was like yawning.
Little
Like,
kids had no idea who these dudes were.
Right after a sold out like Attila show, and then the singer Norma Jean's like, "How many of y'all have seen us before? Raise your hands." The entire crowd was just like every hand was just like, "Who the fuck are these old guys?" But really, it's like they're the band that like
They still kill it. They
kill it. They're the band that started this whole scene. Like,
Which is hilarious because I interviewed Corey about an hour ago and he was talking about how old he was and about how he felt like the scene has changed so much. Corey, you're not that old. But Corey's older than me, so it's all good. It's all good. So like I said, hardcore used to be this very small, very sort of segregated music scene, and then it evolved and it got a kind of metal and then it got kind of EDM, electronic dance music. Can you tell by my facial expression? You know, so what's next, do you think, for the hardcore scene? And please don't tell me it's more tattoos in the RV.
Maybe not for those hardcore dudes, but we got it going on right now. Getting rocked out. Someone is. I
if I had to be honest, I would predict that, like, I don't know, bands are going to start incorporating more dubstep in their music, and that's going to be a huge thing. We don't want it to be, but it's inevitable. It really is. With today's kids and what they like, it's inevitable.
Just don't jump on the bandwagon, please.
Basically, everything that's going to happen is going to be horrible.
So please don't.
Yeah, no bandwagon.
You ain't going to see that out of My My, I'll tell you that. Not now, not never.
It's already been done. You're just doing the same thing over and over.
Well, speaking of bandwagon, social media sort of becomes the way that fans in 2013 learn about you. So what sort of role does it play, and do you guys have to put aside time to tweet and Facebook and Instagram and all that shit, or is it just something like you kind of, hey, well, this would be cool for fans to check out?
Honestly, we probably should use social media more, but we really don't. We really don't use social media that often. Yeah.
We really need the camera rolling at like all times, because there's always something going on, yet we never catch it on tape or anything like that. So we gotta...
Well, just be careful, because sometimes too much exposure, not the best idea either. Well, what's up next for you guys? Well, not other than the immediate future, and I do hope you make it home.
Working. Keep on the grind, writing.
All on turning.
New music, new videos.
Yeah, we'll get home. We're gonna shoot a music video when we get home for one of our songs off the new EP. Other than that, just new management, new tours, new album. Stay on the grind, like whatever. Leonard Skinner, dude, fucking keep on turning.
Keep on turning.
Well, stay tuned for more. But whatever you do, don't look for them on Facebook. Look for them live on stage. This is Jackie with Inthekeyofchange.com.